This is a short introduction about the laser marking machine. That is the computer screen. Those are all switches of the laser marking machine. Main power supply, vibrations, laser, and the red light. Main switch. This is a laser optical pulse. The laser device is inside the gray box. That is governmental scanner. Also, we can call it vibrations mirror. That is field lens. We remove the protect cover. That is the field lens. Please don't look at the field lens directly while the machine is in using. Please pay attention to that caution sticker. The keyboard and mouse are in that drawer. We open that door. The mainframe box of the computer are inside here. There is a power switch there to turn on the computer. This is the back side of the laser marking machine. This is a cable for the electricity. That is a connection for the foot switch. This is the air purifying machine. This is an optional device. The function for this machine is to absorb the air during the marking progress. Let's connect the laser marking machine to the power. If you also have the air purifying machine, you can also plug it in. Switch on the main switch. Then turn on the power button. Wait for 3 seconds. Then the second green button. Also wait for 3 seconds. Then the laser button. The last one is the red light. This is the correct order to turn on the machine. Press the button of the switch on. Wait for a few seconds. Remove the dust protect cover. We click the marking software C-App, S-E-A-A-P-P, C-App. The original language of this marking software is Chinese. You can click the setting. Choose the last button, language. Then you can choose the language that you want. After that, you can restart the app. Now we are doing a test on the wooden board. First, we need to find the correct focal distance. You can see the 2 red dots on the wooden board. Then we can lower down or lower up the handle to make sure that 2 red dots are together in one position. Check that 2 red dots in one position. Then we can edit in the printing content. Click the button. It is like a T. Click it. Then you can move your mouse to the center of the square. Click it. Then go back to the right side. In here, delete the TEXT. Then you can enter the letters you want. After entering the letters you want, you can click the application on the top. Click. We can move the marking content in the center of that square. We can see the length of the marking content is over the length of that square. We have to make it smaller. There are 2 ways to change the size of those letters. We can use the mouse to enlarge or reduce the size of the characters. You can see the way that the video shows. The second way you can see in the video to change the position and the size of that column. We can click it. We made it to 100. If the lock button is locked, the white number will change automatically. Click Apply. You can see the size become smaller. If we open that button lock, click. When we change the numbers, the other number, Y, will not change. It depends on you. Every time you change the size, you need to click the application. Now we can let those characters in the center of the screen. We click that button. Please see that. This one means in the center. Now we can click the red light. Red light is actually the guide laser. It's a red square to help you to see the marking places. You can see there's a red square there. The marking content will inside this red square. This is also help us to recognize the size of the printing content. We click the stop, then the red square will disappear. And change the size of this printing content. After that, put it in the center, click the center, and then click the red light. You will see that the red square becomes smaller. Now we only edited one message. If we edited more message in that column, you will see more messages there. Click the T button, then click in here. You will see that message numbers become changes. If we have more messages, we have to choose them all first. Then click the red light. You will see all the content marking area. Please be aware there is a button called the select mark. It's like we have two content, we only choose one to mark. For example, we click the hello content, then you can see that we click the select mark, then click the red light. You will see the marking places only for the hello content. This is for all content. The red light is to help us to confirm the size of the printing content. When we try to move the content, you can choose the content first, then move the content, as you can see in the video.